jingle bell, jingle all the way. फिर से मारो, भी मारो इसको, मारो मारो इसको, मारो बटन को, मारो और जोर से, और जोर से।
Zehra,
सीख गई,
तुम बता।
सीख गई।
Zehra, darling,
नारे हैदरी बोलो जल्दी।
baby. नारे हैदरी बोलो।
नारे हैदरी।
याली,
याली।
नारे हैदरी, याली।
याली। इसको दबा, इसको देखो तो जरा ऐसा आयु टेडी बेयर go to school. Teddy bear go to school. फिर से मारो, मारो इसको, मारो जरा, मारो और जोर से, जोर से। देखो 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 जरा। Twenty had a great fall.
Zehra, याली बोलो। Morning from Bandra Bazaar Road, a road that is a BJP citadel, barring the independent corporator, Mrs. Reber Khan, Mrs. Mumtaz Reber Khan. Barring her, this is a stronghold of the BJP. And this is actually Congress Free Bandra. This is actually Congress Free Bandra. And people have accepted the BJP as part of the life of Bandra Bazaar Road, or Bandra as such. This is the biggest eyesore that I've been shooting for last 10-12 years. Nothing has changed here. The various corporators that came and went have done nothing about it. Every time I spoke to one of them, they said something is being done, something is being done. But so far I don't see anything being done. And this is just before the rains, so you see the state of the roads. And this is horrendous. I mean, the garbage is spilling on the road, and most of the time the municipal trucks park on the garbage dump. So the dumper that comes to collect the garbage has a lot of problems. And there's always a traffic jam here, and there are a lot of drunks and drug addicts in this area because of we have a local hood joint here. So this is the drunkards going for their booze. And there's this one dog that does not like my sense of dressing. He's always barking at me. And here you have the ducks. I am perhaps, in all humility, the only garbage shooter, the only documentarist of Swachh Bharat gone wrong at Bandra Bazaar Road. This is the worst scenario that you can ever see. Doesn't give me a pleasure shooting this, but I stay 2 blocks from here. I've been shooting garbage as fine art. I taught my grandchildren to shoot, making them use my DSLR to shoot garbage. And this is also an art form. And this we really go to see. is kind of an art installation. It changes every day. The only thing missing out here is a board that says I love Bandra. Please note what I'm saying. This is a place that needs a board that says I love Bandra. A lot of tourists come to Bandra only to shoot this. But today is a special day. This is the 1st of June. And so you have this thing. Baba, Baba, एक मिनट. ऐसे पकड़ लिया, वीडियो ले रहा हूँ मैं. ऐसा नीचे से पकड़ लिया. And this is Baba, my chicken friend, who's taking my video. He's one of my oldest friends, one of my greatest friends. He's a very beautiful human being. But he never gives me discount when I buy chicken from him. I don't know why. He either chickens out. Thank you, Baba.
Chicken is already discounted. Heavy.
Yeah, don't tell lies. This is Bandra Bazaar Road in all its form and glory. Jai Maharashtra. I told Mr. Ashish Shelar, Advocate Ashish Shelar, a good supporter, a good friend, a good leader, the tallest leader in Bandra, to do something about this garbage. Because BMC is clueless about how to get rid of all this. And you can't blame them, BMC also in a way. And this is not just the residents, this is the entire market's generated garbage that comes here. There is no, there is all wet garbage and there is dry garbage, everything comes here. And now because this is so famous, this place, that people from various other areas also come and dump the garbage here. It is there was a garbage dump near the BJP office, but that has been made into a parking lot. Unless they make a parking lot here for the chicken trucks, this garbage might go. But where does one find another garbage dump? Our local representatives are not interested in this because they have bigger challenges. So I hope before the state elections in October, Advocate Ashish Shelar does something. And I hope Mrs. Poonam Mahajan, Madam Poonam Mahajan, who won with a huge margin, also takes an initiative to get rid of this, or at least to make it in such a way that it is not an eyesore. I have nothing, do not belong to any political party. I am not into BJP, Congress, Shiv Sena, Samajwadi Party. I am a senior citizen, 69 years, almost going to be 69. And I just feel that this is not the right message to give of Modi ji's most beautiful mantra called Swachh Bharat. I think it is not the message that that our dynamic Prime Minister would want. I mean, this is his second term. I wish him all the best. A dynamic personality. And Swachh Bharat is a beautiful campaign. If the BMC helps him, if the residents help him and the shopkeepers help him, this place would be a beautiful... At the moment, I call it the perfume garden of Bandra. The stink is horrible. And now you imagine, after seeing all this, you just imagine one thing. What trouble, what pain the municipal conservancy staff go through getting rid of this. This will take not less than 2 hours, 2.5 hours. And this is tons of garbage. And it's a single truck. So the municipal conservancy staff of Bandra H Ward do not have gloves, do not have protective gear, do not have masks, do not have protective shoes, and they work on this. There are times their legs get cut or they have a wound or something. I pay them money to go to Bhabha Hospital. I do take care of them because this is the last we can do for them. These are the humble soldiers of Modi ji's Swachh Bharat, the municipal conservancy staff. But sadly, nothing has been done. So, and this road leads towards Bandra Hill Road. On the right side, it goes to Chapel Road, it goes to Baroda Road, it goes to St. Peter Road, and this road exits out to Bandra Reclamation. And the funny part is all the eminent politicians that come to our area do not pass this side, and they do not come at this time, early morning. So, Jai Maharashtra, Jai Modi ji, Jai Swachh Bharat, Jai Bandra. Thank you all.
Selfie points, you can take the pictures next to the selfie points in yellow.
मैं बोला एक वीडियो भी ले लेता हूँ यार. Hi, how are you? This is the Chimbai beach cleanup by the beach warriors and city volunteers. कितने जन हैं आप लोग यहाँ? कितने? 1,000. There are about 1,000 people here cleaning the beach. And this boy, beautiful boy, he needs no cleaning up. So Chinu Quatra of Beach Warriors and the city volunteers, and this is the slums opposite Salman Khan's house. It's a great initiative. And this is one of the dirtiest, filthiest, ugliest beach in Bandra. This one. Hi.
And then take this as a project. That's what we do.
Chinu, say something here.
Sir, मैं
Yeah,
आगे बोलता हूँ.
okay.
मैं आगे.
Okay.
And thank you so much. And thank you so much to City.
My name is Feroz Shakir. I've been documenting his work.
Good morning, guys. Whoever have
All my
completed
stuff
the
about him is on
registration, have
Twitter.
the gloves and the t-shirts on. Please come forward. We can start with the briefing, and then you can hit to the event. Please, those who have completed their registration, have their t-shirts, are requested to come forward so that we can start with the briefing and we can start with the next batch. We have a time constraint, so we would like you guys to have maximum time on the beach cleaning up rather than standing here and taking selfies and having good chit chat on a Saturday morning. Come this side, make good 3 lines so that we can start. I'll request all the ushers to kindly push the the volunteers who are ready with the t-shirts and gloves. In case there is another pair of gloves which you get on the beach. In case it is torn, you'll find out, so do not think of taking 2 pairs just in case it gets worn out.
These are the homeless, hopeless of Bandra. They too need a cleanup.
I request everyone to come forward so that people behind can also
इसको ऐसा
get
पकड़,
some space.
वीडियो ले, ऐसा पकड़, नीचे से.
अरे पकड़े ना मारा.
So this is my friend Chinu Quatra. of beach warriors. I've been documenting him. He's very close to Mr. Aditya Thackeray. He's very close to Mr. Rahul Kanal. And they have this great initiative of cleaning the ugliest, the dirtiest, the filthiest beach in Bandra. It is called the Chimbai Beach. So, and this is an initiative by the Citibank volunteers. And as I walk here every morning, I happen to shoot this video. Thanks a lot.
Wait here and look at my face. Look at the things to do. I request Priya.
Huh?
आज तो इधर ही काम लग गया तुमको पूरा
नहीं चलता.
I request everyone to come forward. Also, Priya. Time starts now.
This is the Chimbai Beach at Bandra, facing Galaxy, and people waiting for medical help from Salman Khan Foundation. And these are the slums on Chimbai Beach. Prime Estate property. Most expensive space in Mumbai. Chimbai is a fishing village, Koli, predominant by Kolis, and there is a lot of mangroves out there. And this is a very rocky beach. This was one of the filthiest, dirtiest beach. There is no defecation point here. There was a toilet just across, but that has been removed because it would have hurt the elitist people walking at bandstand. This is the reality. Much could have been done here. Nothing has been done so far. Chimbai Beach. The ugliest, the filthiest Chimbai Beach. Though they have tried to clean it. Yesterday, the beach warriors and Citibank cleaned the beach along with my friend Chinu Quatra and Rahul Kanal. It's a great initiative. There are people sleeping on the beach. And those two guys are from Ahmedabad. People come here for Salman Khan house darshan, and those family that you see ahead, about 5 children, are from Samastipur. They have made Mumbai their home on the rocks. Their house was burnt, I believe, in Samastipur. So they have come here seeking help from Salman Khan's foundation. But so far it's been almost a month, nothing has happened. These are the stray dogs. And these are people waiting for help from Salman Khan Foundation. This is all part of my morning walk. No hawkers. A lot of people come here with a lot of hope. A lot of people come here with a lot of hope. That on the first floor is Mr. Salman Khan's house. And these are people waiting for the Salman Khan Foundation. this people. It's a very pathetic sight. Clinging to hope. The madman of Bandra Bandstand. He lives on the rocks. What was God's plan? A madman's last stand. Empty stomach, hunger, and empty hands on a rocky beach that has no sand. This is Amchi Mumbai, an international brand. A man in a no man's land. This is Bandstand. What are his dreams? I don't understand. Through a poem, his life I cannot expand. I shoot, document stories on Bandstand. Bollywood strugglers dreaming of the silver screen once in their lifetime. They want to be seen. Dreams honest and clean, lost among the greens. Time asked him, where has he been? The dreamers of Bandra. Good morning, uncle. Good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
Fine, sir.
So, how many years you have been cleaning this?
It's become 3 years.
Okay. So you fill the water. You fill the water and you make it working. First it was not working. पहला चलता था ये.
हाँ अभी चालू है उसको स्पीड बंद किया है.
अच्छा.
चालू करना है.
करिए ना. This is the fountain at Bandra Bandstand. It was built by Jafar Bhai Luda Chatu Esquire to the municipality of Bandra 1894. And this is
बाबा आए क्या नहीं आज? क्या बोल रहे?
नहीं मालूम नहीं. तो पानी ला के डालते हो आप पानी ला के डालते हो.
जरा तो क्या इलेक्ट्रिशियन का जरा खराब है तो नहीं तो वो बरोबर टाइम 6 to 11:30
रात को.
रात को.
This is an East Indian man who takes care of this water fountain opposite Khuja Florist. This is a heritage of Bandra.